out this guide to learn everything you need to know. To learn more about this free resource and how it can help you with your work, visit.
So what a lot of you have been thinking about is the fact that, so for all of those who might be following the news, Elon Musk just said that he wants your financial life to revolve around him, okay, to revolve around the company X. And let me just send you guys back a while ago, okay, when he said he was going to purchase, or when he decided to want to purchase the company with Twitter, okay, then I was one of the people who was like, no, 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 no. There's something fishy here, okay. And I want you guys to like just sink your, like, just try for a while, okay. Put yourself into a businessman's, thought process, and think about this. Just when everybody was like, oh yeah, Twitter is a trash, it's a bad investment, and he's making a mistake, he's wasted money, I mean, you all saw all of the trash news, that was being propagandized, and all of the things that was said about his purchase of Twitter. I was one of the people who was like, no, you people are making a mistake. Like, people are not really looking deep. First of all, you should know where the guy has come from, know his background, know the things he's done, okay, and then ask yourself, like, why would you want to purchase a company like this? Forget all of the rumors and the propaganda that was like being, shared online and all of that. Think about, like, people still don't see the value of Twitter. Like, yeah, forget about the quotes and the amount that was like, mentioned, and at the cost of which, he purchased it. Okay, people should look at Twitter as the power of influence that it has. Okay, that is like its core value. Like, that's the value. If anybody decided to buy it, or if they were going to put money or put a price tag on Twitter, that is what people should look at. The value of influence that the app carries, okay, in that it has who isn't on, which celebrity isn't on Twitter, okay? Every powerful celebrity with influence, people who move things, people who cause things to happen, all of these people, all of these guys are on Twitter. And so you should value that much more than, I mean, even much more than the brands, okay? This is like dealing personally with people, and people who cause things to, happen. People could affect or affect your brand, whichever way, they deem it, okay? And so for me, I thought this is what this guy was going for. And to know that he's come from or runs other companies like Tesla, like the Boring Company, the how do you call it, the Starlink, like, I mean, all of the solar, like, people also don't know, or people are not aware of the fact that Tesla as a company has so many other products which they haven't rolled out. Like, there's so many prototyped products, okay, amazing products that hasn't been rolled out. Not to mention like Neuralink, like, people haven't. I believe this company is like creating this ecosystem where, like, at a point, there's coming a point in time where your entire life will revolve around a Tesla or whatever name you're going to call it, okay? But then this company that eventually, I believe one day, is going to be incorporated into like one huge cooperation. And man, you're going to run your life. You're going to run your life, like, from the food you eat all the way through to, it's just like Twitter has like with no, it's just like Apple has with communication now, okay? Twitter has you, why do I keep mentioning Twitter? Apple has you all engulfed around this ecosystem of, communication, from your phone to your laptops to, certain devices you watch. Like, it's hard for you to get out of it. I believe Elon Musk is also like planning something of that sort, okay? And his would be very much effective, because at that point you're more like, it's your car, your phone, your power supply, energy, and maybe we haven't seen that of food, but I really want to believe. I mean, how easy wouldn't it be if he decided to buy out, some food complex or some food cooperation out or some merger, or people should just think about that and stop reading all of the trash that you read online. Like, you should think deep, into all of this. So yeah, recent news, I think it was on Thursday, the company had a meeting and they've decided, and in fact he's giving the company 1 year. So by the end of 2024, there's possibly going to be an X bank, where all of your financial transactions, all of your financial needs, even if you wanted to take a loan, if you wanted to, whatever securities there is, it is going to revolve around the company X, and that's what guys should take control. Let me give you a bit of a read, So I'm quoting him. He says, "You won't need a bank account. It would blow my mind if we don't have that rolled out by the end of the year." And that's according to Elon Musk. So Musk wants X to be the center of your financial world, handling anything in your life that deals with money. He expects those features to launch by the end of 2024. He told X employees during an all-hand-on call on Thursday, saying that people will be surprised with just how powerful it is. "When I say payment, I actually mean someone's entire financial life," Musk said, according to an audio of the meeting obtained by The Verge. If it involves money, it will be on our platform. Money or securities or whatever. So it's not just like sending $20 to a friend. I'm talking about you won't need a bank account. Ex-CEO Linda Yaccarino said the company sees this becoming a full opportunity in 2024. "It would blow my mind if we don't have that rolled out by the end of the year," Musk said. The company is currently working on locking down money transaction licenses across the US so that it can offer financial services. Musk told employees Thursday that he hopes to get the other X needs in the next few months. Musk has discussed the plans to turn X into a financial hub before. He even renamed Twitter after his .com boom era online bank, X.com. And if you guys would recall that as well, I forgot to even mention, all of the PayPal and then the X.com dream, which he had some years back. I think it's just all coming into fusion. All of this is becoming a reality gradually, And yeah, the future is bright. It's really interesting, and we can be hopeful for the best, But then again, there's this thing. There's a lot of questions that is going to be surrounded with or if should this become a reality, or if this is ever going to become real, or are people going to even accept it, to have all of your financial transactions all revolved on a central platform where it's become more of like a politics thing. There's a lot of questions that needs to be answered, and until all of these things are answered, it is going to be hard. I see the possibilities, I see the good, but then there's always those bad actors. Should governments come in and say, who did you vote for? All of these censorship things that happened the past 3 years during the elections. And is it going to be the case that you'll be taken off a platform and that you won't be able to buy, purchase, all of these things? And it's gradually sinking in. But yeah, that's what is making news. There's more read on theverge.com. You can go have yourself a read and everything that they said. So yeah, that's what is making news. There's a lot more news happening, but I hope to come your way again in another video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Consider subscribing, consider liking, drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Would you ever bank on an X bank, or have your life, revolve around the X app, where your entire financial life, purchasing, buying, loans, whatever? Would you ever do it? And let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and I hope to come your way again in another video. Do have a good day. Which are later, and don't forget, the coming of our Lord is near. It's even near, more near than it has ever been. Okay, so yeah, you're steady. Why?